So back to the stream, guys. So if we are reversing from here and we are going to attack this one, with that's the Friday swing low here, which is the intermediate term low also. And if we are going to attack this one, it will be a failed market maker model here. Okay, uh, from this price, like, okay, not from bottom, because if I consider anything from bottom, as I told you guys that we have some clean relative equal lows, and if we are reversing in bull run or in bullish side, then all the sell side should be protected. But they are, I think, if they didn't get that protection, then yeah, you will all see all this level soon. What, how we can confirm that? We have to go to the weekly chart. Okay, on weekly chart, if you see consolidation, breakout, breakout, the last 2 week candle are showing strength. People are focusing to go long. Even I am also bullish. But do you think when market will go in any one direction, it will give people easy money? I don't think so. Okay, it is very very difficult. What I can do is go on to the daily chart and confirm my few things. Okay, the first thing is that's the retail resistance here. Whenever market will go above it, it will it will show resistance, because that's a fake breakout. Yesterday we, like last few 3 4 days, we are consolidating above it. So big range days is coming soon, because we are in a low range days from last 2 weeks. Okay, last 2 3 weeks. So be ready for some good volatile days. If I have to mark this volume balance, the problem with marking volume balances in daily chart is that when you will go to the low time frame, they will look different. Okay, I mean, they will have different markings, so you have to correct it again. So yeah, that's now a perfect volume balance here. We went to the super premium. Okay, very premium market here, sorry, very premium level of this volume balance, which is the daily volume balance. Okay, I'm marking it with the red line. So from that premium volume balance, we consolidated and went to the downside. What can happen now? Okay, if you mark the if you see the daily volume balance, then we are in a discount now. But my eyes are still wanting to say the sell side liquidity, although I tried to frame my bias with some bullishness, but nah, I don't think so that will happen so easily. What should I put the color for this volume balance? Let's go with red. No, sell side liquidity is of red color. Let's go with some this type of color. So these are the quadrants: 1.75, 50, 0.5, 0.25, 0. So this is the important level, which is this one. This is the 50.5% level, 50% of the volume balance, along with new week opening at 50%, along with this CB here. You see this CB? This is how you know which PDR is important. When market will trade above it with displacement, that will be an inversion. If market want to go short, you have to watch for the reaction from this blue line and these dotted lines inside this CB. Even if you want to mark the CB's C level, it is like here only, okay, but you don't need that. You can just, what do we say, okay, that's a 5 minute CB. Now that's not 1 minute chart, this is a 5 minute chart. This is the 5 minute CB. If you go on 1 minute chart, things will be little different. Okay, you see this wick, okay, you see this wick. So I want to see a lot of things here, okay, like what is market trying to do. I'm still not bullish yet, okay, I'm not bullish yet. I have to look for SMTs of high time frame. If you go on 15-minute chart, uh, we don't have any good SMT, okay, we just have this kind of SMT. So I'm not interested in longs for now. What I can do is sit still or short from any A plus setup. That's it. That's it. Okay, that's 15 minute also. That's a 15 minute CB also here. Okay, this whole thing is a 15-minute CB here. What will be the important level inside the CB? You see a gap here. This gap will be important gap. How did I know this gap can be important? Is by drawing the quadrants. That is the 50% level here of the CB. That's the C of the CB, and which the C of the CB is what? A 1 minute CB here. Okay. Also, one thing more I can do is I can look for last failure gaps or inversion failure gaps. So if I want to go for inversion, that's the inversion failure gap here. Or if I want to go from wick, sorry, body, then including that volume balance, okay, I can just mark this volume balance. But let's just don't confuse you and just go with this 3 minute CB and 1 minute CB. You see here, this CB and this CB. That's it. That's it. And I want to reach what market is not trying to do. Does it want to reach for that, or it wants to reverse from this new week opening at C level and this quadrant 50% of daily volume balance? That's it. Apart from that, I don't want to look for anything else, because anything more will be just a confusion to me. I was mute. I'm so sorry. I was mute. I think voice will is now clear. Okay. So I was talking about this inversion failure gap that this was the long entry anyone should have taken. Okay, I missed it. I accept that. I missed that. Okay, I fucking missed this entry, but this was a plus entry. I missed that. I'm so sorry for that. I missed that. I was literally. I'm still distracted a lot. So just give me 5 minutes, yeah. Just give me 5 minutes. Okay, just give me 5 minutes. So guys, I'm back. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So sorry. So here, as we see, this was the 15-minute CB. This whole thing was a 15-minute CB, and if we refine that CB, and that's the last value gap here, and we are now bullish. Okay, like it is going bullish. We are now bullish now, not, but it is going bullish. Okay, it is going bullish. It still not attacked this one. Okay, it still didn't attack this low. We had a rejection block here. It gave us empty inversion failure gap at the new week opening gap. Long should be taken from this area, can be held till this last failure gap or this inversion failure gap. Or if you are very if you are very good at holding trades, then you can hold it uh, for above, going for above the daily open or true day open. What is the daily open? 915 candle, and you can mark the standard deviations. You can go for -2 standard deviations here. That's up to you. That's totally up to you. That's a personal thing of exiting trades. Okay, but this was the entry. If you would have got an entry here, okay, this inversion failure gap, your stop should be above, sorry, below this candle. That's approximately 40 points on futures. Then follow the risk reward. If you want to go with 1:2 RR, then that's a very easy thing. Very easy thing. Okay, and if you want any big risk reward trades, then you can go for last value gap or -2 step. That's it. This was the long entry. I missed that. I totally accept that. Okay, I missed that one. Now at this place I don't want to go long. Okay, I will wait for a 5 minute or 15-minute failure gap to form to long. Okay, like we have this 15-minute failure gap. If I hope it just remains unfilled. Okay, if it wants to trade for all this my drawn liquidity. Okay, so if market wants to trade for this box, which is what is this box? That's a 15-minute last value gap of this price leg. Okay, above the new week opening gap. So if market wants to trade for that one now, right now, then this may remain unfilled. This can be just touched once, and after that it should boom. Okay, why I'm saying that? Because that's there is a new week opening gap here, and this new week opening gap should now hold the price, that should now support the price. Okay, we are now retracing to this inversion here. If you go on to the 3 minute chart, you will see we have this inversion, which is more important than 1 minute inversion fairly apps. You see this one, it came to it. What you can do is, if anyone wants to trade aggressive, then on 15-second chart you can go, and since we have SMT at upside, then yeah, it is not very helpful for you right now to trade aggressively here. Okay, also if you look for the time element, it's 10:07 now. You have very few minutes left now to trade. Okay, because I don't know if today will be a big range day or a small range day again after 10:30. It's, I don't know that. But I definitely need a SMT at 15-second chart to go long. Okay, from this area. If there is no SMT, I'll wait because market will now try to trade for, maybe try to trade for more deeper retracement. It is possible. So it has given the -2 standard deviations right here. Okay, now what happens at -2 to -2.5? Retracement or reversal? It retraced to this inversion failure, that's a blue box, but I think it can try to trade for this new week opening up high. So I'll just wait here. Okay, that's not anything here to do. You have to keep patience here at this point. You don't know because you already have SMTs at highs. Okay, like this was the clean highs here. Okay, they are still not attacked. Okay, they are still not attacked. Remember, we still have this liquidity here. Okay, this buy side liquidity is still very smooth. Okay, very smooth, and I think this should be taken once more. Okay, this should be taken once more. That's why I'm still bullish. Okay, I want to mark it from here. These are the relatively equal highs. Above that, we have more relative equal highs. Okay, if I have to mark, see this buy side liquidity, or if you want to mark, if you have to if we have to do, reach for here this buy side liquidity, then yes we can, but most probably firstly I want to see this one. This buy side should be attacked once again. I don't want to see this type of liquidity purge here. Okay, I want to see a attack on liquidity. So how the attack should be look like? The attack should be look like this move. You see this move? That move is attack on liquidity. This is not attack on liquidity. So one thing is good today, that market is a little volatile. Okay, that is a good thing. Please like this stream यार, जल्दी जल्दी like करो सब. सो एक चीज़ यहाँ पे एक और साबित होती है, लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द लोग जब इस टाइप का मूव देखते हैं, दे लिटरली गेट वेरी डिमोटिवेटेड. ओके, बिकॉज इधर कोई एंट्री नहीं होती. ओके, और जो एंट्री मिलती है वो भी कुछ A+ नहीं रहती. एंड जब वो देखते हैं यार इतना अच्छा मूव आ चुका है, देन दे लिटरली फील वेरी बैड दैट दे मिस द मूव. ओके, बट यू शुड नॉट मिस और यू शुड नॉट feel bad about it. Why? There's a reason. Okay, whenever there's a Judas move, it will not give you entry. In this move we didn't had any A+ entries, so that's why this is a Judas move. You see how easily it got covered. And when the real move start, you have every type of entry. Whatever entry you want, there will be entry. There will be entry. This is the proper inversion failure gap here. A breaker block here. Buy at the discount of the breaker and boom. Nifty, if you see on Nifty future chart, we still have that relatively equal highs buy side liquidity. So I'll be waiting. As you see here, it is now coming for this new week opening gap high. I wanted to see that happen, and that's good. That's a good thing. Even if it trades for this fairly gap here, it's all permissible. Okay, it's permissible here, because you see there's a 5-minute fairly gap here. Okay, and a 5-minute inversion here. We have 5-minute CB here. Market closed above it. Next few candles are now they should now form a big black candles. Okay, I mean the red candles, because if you mark this CB here, let me show you. That's the CB, and if this CB is still holding the price, then you should see some this type of candles right here. You don't have to see consolidation here. Okay, but this is a good candle. Okay, this candle is showing some strength, but this CB is still not very used very aggressively. Okay, it is still pending to be used. Okay, go on to the 15-minute chart. This 15-minute CB is still valid. Okay, okay, I'm not gonna mark the bearish PDRs right now because we are still in a discount. That this two consecutive candles looks like a low probability order block to me. What is the high probability order block? This whole thing is a high probability order block for me. See, so you see these three candles here, that's the doji. Okay, so here you see market is trying to take a support from this new week opening gap high. Okay, and okay, that thing is good. Okay, only one thing I'm gonna mark here and see the reactions of is this one. What is this? That's a 3-minute inversion here. Okay, and I'll be turning off the minus 2.5 minus, sorry, 0.75 and 0.25, and I want to see the reactions from this CE here. Okay, I want to see how market is revolving around here, or it is going to trade for some more inefficiencies or not. So I have can we expect trending day next 3 days? I think today also. Yeah, today's Tuesday, first of all. And Tuesdays are usually 90% of the time it is sideways days. 10% of the time are the only times when Tuesdays are the most trending days. Okay, so yeah, that's how it goes. And right here you see this candle closed below. Next candle showed the support. That's a good thing here. Okay. Okay, what is my A plus setup? Okay, this is my A plus setup. You see here, that's my A plus setup here. Go and study the price action here. This is my A plus setup. Hello Manish, hello. uh, like in our market, if you see, I'm not able to find any good trend line phantoms nowadays. Okay, if you go and mark any good trend line, the only trend line I was watching yesterday was this one. This was the trend line. Okay, this trend line gave this down move. What should be the next? The next should be the buy side liquidity. Whenever a trend line breakdowns happens, even if it works, even if it gives the move, but still then it market aggressively tries to attack the opposite side, because what do we have in opposite side? We have this buy side liquidity, we have the buy stops here. So market tries to attack the buy side liquidity. So right here, if you see, we are trying okay, let's go to the 30-second chart. What is this orange line? This is the 3-minute inversion failure gap, bullish inversion failure gap. You see here we formed a BC here. What a market. That's the BC here. That's a 30-second BC. Formed inside the new week opening gap high and 3-minute inversion CE level. Is this a valid failure gap to enter the market? I would say no. For entering, I would say no. That is not a good failure gap to enter the market. Okay. Why am I saying that? Why am I saying that? See, if you look for SMT at lows, then we don't have any SMT at lows, but we have SMT at highs again, which is the momentum SMT. If you see, this is the momentum SMT. Okay, what potential does this SMT have? Is this any relevant SMT? This is not SMT which you should be looking for to enter the market. This is the only SMT which you should mark to read the price, that where is it going. That's it. That's it. You don't have to enter here. You don't have to frame your any plan from this SMT, because that's a low time frame, very low time frame SMT. This is not the thing you should be watching here. Okay. If I want to enter the market, what I want is a bullish SMT. I want a bullish SMT. See, again market closed below, open below, boom. What does it showing you? It is showing you that yes, I still want to go higher. Okay, I have this relatively equal highs here. I want to attack that relative equal highs. Okay, but I will not do that very easily. I will firstly trap people. Okay, I will trap some people. People are seeing this level as resistance. Market will try to show them, yes, you are in profits, you are in profits, don't worry, I am going for the bearish side. Market will show them, and then boom, it will give the real move. Rapidly it will serve you the real move. So you have to be keep patience. Okay, and look for that move. It's 10:21, which is the macro here, 10:5 to 10:25. Macros usually do opposite side of moves. Okay, macro usually do opposite sides of move, and that's basic power of 3 concept. H1 expanded, next H1 started, form the low, and then maybe at in last hours it will expand. Macro usually does that. Only fucking thing which macro does is opposite side move. Get it? or you don't get it, okay, it's up to you. But go and study, go and mark macros and see what most probably which side move does macro offer, okay, and you will see that most of the time on the macros market will trade to the opposite direction of the trend, okay, and then the real move comes maybe on the next macro or before the macro, and then in the macro it will again move in opposite side, expanded opposite side move. This is what macro does, okay. So I'm still not falling, I'm not becoming a victim of this market right now, okay. If it will go from here, okay, it can go, but that will be a no entry for me. That will be a no entry because there is a no low time frame SMT. I want to trade for only high time, sorry, I want to only trade for only A plus setups, okay, only A plus setups, and this is not a A plus setup to go long. That's not a setup here. Why you marked SMS? It's not SMS, it's SMT, okay, that's the SMTs. This is the time, this is the smart money time when there is a divergence. You see, this is the low, this is the low, this is the lower high, but here you have lower low. What does it mean? It means a divergence here. It means a divergence between both the index, okay. That's the divergence in both the charts. It shows you that yes, that's the right time. Now market will reverse. That is SMT. It didn't traded the breaker before giving up move, missed the entry. These four candles are the breaker. Yes, sometimes this will happen, sometimes this will happen. What you have to do, that's the reason I also included inversion fair value gaps in my setups, because you can buy from discount of the breaker. As ICT says that you don't have to be a support resistance trader, like market trades above the breaker, retest it, you don't have to wait for the retest, you can enter before the retest and you can pyramid at the retest, okay. So this is why I look for inversion fair value gaps. Whenever there is a big breaker, I look for inversion fair value gaps. Or if there is an inversion fair value gap, then I don't look for breaker. I trade that inversion fair value gap. Let's go to the 1 minute chart. 9:53 and 10:15. No, that is not a valid SMT for me. SMT should be formed with swings, okay, not candles. It can go, but that is not a right SMT, okay. That is not a right SMT to trade, okay. But if you are a very aggressive micro scalper, then you can even look for that SMT and trade. But I do not suggest that, I do not use that. So yeah, that is not a valid uh, SMT for me. So guys, how should I increase my watch like audience on YouTube, like on live? I don't know. Maybe people are interested more on uh, making money and not on learning. Okay, I mean they want tips about call or put and all. First of all, yeah, I only want people to learn from my stream. Okay, I will just quit everything here. Okay, I will quit everything on social media once I reach a level which I'm aiming for. You will not you will not see me anywhere in social media. Okay, why am I spending time right now? Because I want to stay busy. Okay, I want to stay busy. Okay, I don't even trade Indian markets a lot. Okay, I only trade it few days in months. Okay, not even weeks, few days in months. So I just want to keep myself busy till evening. Okay, I cannot sleep whole day. So I want to be busy, I want to stay busy. So that's the reason I am trying to be little active on social media, to post some videos and all, so that I'll just keep myself busy. That's the only reason I'm doing something on social media, to keep myself busy. My focus is totally on Nasdaq, okay, app futures and forex both. So as you see here, why I don't want it to go long from here, because I knew there is something cooking here. Okay, there was no SMT. Since there was no SMT, there will be something in making here. How big this candle is? Oh my god. Let's measure this candle. Yeah, that's 112 points candle. 100 on futures chart. Let's just open the options. Boom. How big candle is this one? But on options it is not very okay. Yeah, that's a big one. That's 66 point move here. Market then again made relatively equal highs here. Okay, market is literally making liquidity on both the sides. Okay, so market came to the breaker now. Okay, anyone who missed the breaker, here market came to the breaker block. Should you go long here? No. Okay, you have to wait. You cannot do anything in this price action. Nothing is valid right here. Yes, if anyone wanted to short, or if he was still bearish, then yeah, he would have got a setup here. But I was not bearish. Okay, I was not bearish. I was waiting for a A plus setup to go long from discount area, and it is now again at discount area. So yeah, I'm still waiting for A plus setup to long the market. But since we have this relatively equal lows here, you see this relatively equal lows, so I can short for this liquidity also. Whenever I get opportunity to attack liquidity, I can go and attack that liquidity without interrupting my bias. Okay, this is how I trade. This is how my trading system works. Okay, I can attack the liquidity, no issues with that. Okay, but for that also I want a plus setup. Okay, I want a plus setup to be formed. Without any A plus setup, I don't enter in the markets. Bro, call or put. On Bank Nifty spot daily chart, we have order block just few hundred points above current price. Can you look this please? Thank you. On daily chart, okay. Bro, do you trade NQPM session also? No, I don't trade that. Now trade the breaker. Also, Nifty is at last value gap. Yes, but now don't have guts. Yeah, of course, you should not directly go long. Yeah, you should. There should be a setup like here, like there should be little consolidation and then move. That's the thing you want. You are sitting here to trade in the market. Okay, you if you don't have this type of things, you see here consolidation, entry, boom. This is what you should be looking to trade. This is not something you should be looking to trade. This is what you should be looking to trade. There should be a little consolidation before the move. No entry according to my system is valid right here. Only a bullish, since I was bullish, my plans were bullish, there was an inversion here, and I should have taken the long from here. Okay, this move I should have captured this full move, but I missed that. No issues. Is this a valid entry for me or valid setup for me according to my system? Then no, this is not a valid. Although market was coming from -2 to -2.5 standard deviation, but this is not what I want to see in the markets. Like the buy side should be attacked, not just purged. Okay, since it was purged, I'm expecting it to go lower now. I'm expecting it to attack this sell side liquidity. Maybe it will attack this sell side also, but firstly this sell side liquidity. Since this was a purge, okay, when market was doing market just when market just done that, I told you guys that this looks like a purge, not a attack. Okay, what do you mean by purge? Purge means continuation of the move. So Judas, up move retracement, attack the buy side liquidity, turtle soup, your fair value gap 2022 model entry, your inversion fair value gap entry right here. What you can target? Breaker to breaker. This is the breaker to target. If you have guts to hold, if you are still bearish, like you can attack the sell side also, because that's a relatively equal loss. Okay, that's the relatively equal loss. Don't get afraid of this big green candles. Okay, don't get. But I know in option trading, as you see, the options are falling, so you should be you should know when to exit the positions. Okay, you have to take that beautiful clean small little target and just close your position. That's it. That's how you can make money on option buy. That's why I only target -2 standard deviation, because -2 standard deviation is the only thing which serves you easy money. Okay, after -2 standard deviation, price can retrace back to the dealing range, retrace back to the 50% of the dealing range. I don't want to see that. I don't want to see that. I want easy money as option buyer. If I get my easy money, I'm out from the market. I don't need anything else. That's it. That's it. That's fucking it. Okay. Bro, we are facing issue in Telegram. Check out, it's showing banned. No, bro. No, 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 no. Yes, yes. That guys are literally doing fun on Telegram, because still there is no news about Telegram and everything is working. And even if Telegram is banned, we have Discord. We have this YouTube community. Okay, you all should be active here. I will actively post here. Don't worry. Like I'll be fully active on Discord then. Discord and YouTube. Also inside the new week opening app, you should not be trading. Okay, that's the one thing you should always know, and you should always have on your rules. Inside new day opening apps, inside new week opening apps, you don't have to touch the markets, you just have to wait. You just have to wait for the market to trade above or below it. That's it. Don't have to trade inside that. Okay, because inside the new week opening apps, there's a consolidation. Today is Tuesday, you know that. Tuesdays are for sideways days. Okay, it can be it can be a good move, but most probably they are sideways. ICT also says to avoid trading in new week opening, but in Banknifty we cannot miss a big range. See, there are rules. Okay, for example, this new week opening app, if you see, is the very recent new week opening app. Okay, um, and when market is gravitating towards it a lot, you should not be trading. Okay, but if market is far away from them, you can trade. Also, if you look for this new week opening app, let me tell you this one. See, that's the huge new week opening app. When market made this new week opening app, it fell from that area, and it was below the new week opening app, then it entered in the new week opening app, and that's the reason you are seeing consolidation a lot here, because we are inside the new week opening app. 100% you should not be trading this area. What would have happened if you traded yesterday on Friday's market? You would have chopped up. What happened if you have traded on Wednesday's market? You would have chopped up. What happened on Tuesday? Morning volatility, chopped up. Morning volatility, chopped up. Inside, see, this is the level. Inside new week opening up, chopped up. Below new week opening up, good move. So you have to wait for the market to go in any side. Okay, to go in any side, you have to wait for it. So see the reaction. This is the reaction from breaker block. Okay, that's the reaction. Your focus should be at this new week opening app high. Is market rejecting from here? Is market taking support from there? You should be watching that one. नास AM session stream कब से? Not possible for me, bro. I can stream from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Indian time zone. After that, it is not possible for me. After 7 p.m., uh, not possible for me to stream. Bro, when we have more than one inversion failure up, how you deal with? I just go one high time frame above. Like if I have two inversions on 1 minute, there will be one inversion on 3 minute chart. That's how I define that. Okay, you should also do that. Okay, whenever you have multiple inversions, just go one time frame above, one or two time frame above. Bank Nifty price action is very unpredictable. Either it's gonna move like this or not at all. Confidence breaker price action. Yes, because it is just messing around new week opening gap. I want to see it trading away from this new week opening gap. I don't want to see price again coming back to new week opening gaps. Okay, because although I know they are magnets, they will attract the price, but when the move will start, we all will know or we all will see the real move. Okay, don't worry, just know one thing, that we have this clean sell side liquidity resting here. You should focus on this sell side liquidity. Okay, and you should not be trading to attack any of this liquidity. See, this buy side is also very clean, this sell side is also very clean. You should not be trading inside this liquidity. You have to wait for any side liquidity to be attacked. Okay, then only you can do anything. That's the only way to trade this markets. Okay, because if you see, this is the 1 hour chart, this is the new week opening gap, market is taking support. Where it will go, we don't know. I don't know, at least I don't know. Maybe you know, but I don't know. Okay, I really don't know where the market will go now. Because if you see on the daily chart, we are bullish. On 1 hour chart, if you see on 1 hour chart also, we are still looking bullish. Okay, because we have this new week opening up, sell side delivery offered only, sell side price action is offered, not liquidity offered. So this is a relative equal lows, it can be attacked, but we still have the buy side liquidity, relatively equal highs, so they can be also attacked. But since it has been purged, so that's why I want to see the sell side liquidity attacked first, so my focus goes around this sell side liquidity, and that's it. That's what I want to see, sell side liquidity. I want to see sell side liquidity attack firstly, then buy side. So my bias is firstly short, then long. Okay, let's watch Nifty chart. This is the Nifty. If you see on 15-minute chart, we are still consolidating. uh, we swept this intermediate term low, that sell side liquidity. My eyes literally draws towards this new week opening gap on Nifty, but we also have clean, relatively equal highs, buy side liquidity. If you go on 1 minute chart, we have this SMT, we have this SMT. The only inversion failure gap here on 1 minute chart will be this one. I'll be not interested in any inversion failure gap except this one, or I can even mark this on, if you go on 3 minute chart or 2 minute chart. Okay, on 2 minute there's nothing, but on 1 minute I can smell this inversion failure gap as the first inversion failure gap before attacking the sell side liquidity. So my eyes revolves around this one. That's the inversion failure gap, and it is now supporting the price. We have this relatively equal buy side also. You see this relatively equal buy side. Easily, they can be easily attacked. Okay, because see on Nifty, if I watch the Nifty chart, it is telling me that buy side is looking very easy. Buy side is very easy. See this relative equal highs, this relative equal highs, very easy buy side liquidity. So yeah, but on Bank Nifty chart, if I see, yes, we do have the buy side liquidity. We have this resting smooth highs. Okay, we have this smooth highs here, but let's see how it goes. Okay, we also have this big high time frame relative equal lows also, and that's the low time frame relative equal highs, which is a bigger, or which is a better magnet. So for me, this sell side is a better magnet. And if I see the price action, this was the opening, this was the high. Okay, this was the opening, this was the high, and we are coming from -2 to -2.5 zone. And if I want to mark this one, then yeah, we came to -1 level and we are retracing. Maybe let's see, we can attack the sell side, because -2 is below the sell side liquidity and this sell side liquidity, this -2. Let's see, we will know that it is falling or not. Don't worry, I'll tell you guys if it is gonna fall or not. So Nifty is also, if Nifty wants to come for short, you see this inefficient area, you see this inefficient new week opening gap. This is there, this is where my eyes draw towards. Okay, but if market wants to see, we have plans, but market also have plans. So if market has a plan of attacking the buy side liquidity firstly, then we have to wait. That's it, we have to wait then. Okay, we are in a discount right now, we are in a daily discount zone. We also attacked previous day low, so we are in a discount. Okay, we can see the buy side also are getting attacked firstly. Okay, but then it is just up to our plan, it is up to your plan, what you are planning. Okay, it is up to you. You can be wrong on your plan, you can be right on your plan. That's it. Except that you cannot do anything right now. If I want to see the buy side liquidity, I want to see this new week opening gap high supporting the price. Right now it rejected, that's why I'm neutral. I want to see how market trades for this new week opening gap high level. That's it, that's the only thing I want to see here. I hope you're getting what I'm trying to say. Okay, sometimes you have to be neutral. You have a bias what you want to do, but at this low time frame price action, you have to be neutral. You have to understand that. Okay, Bank Nifty daily chart. Okay, let's go to the Bank Nifty daily chart. So on Bank Nifty daily chart, if I want to see anything good, then yes, we have this order block. These two candles are order blocks. Also, but I think what you should focus on here is, let me tell you, this volume balance or this new week opening gap. Just draw quadrants of this new week opening gap. That's it. You don't need anything else. We are literally getting some support from this level. That's the order block here. If you go and mark this, that's the order block, and there's an inversion also here. So we are just reacting from that level. So what you can do is just you can also mark this order block, these two green candles as order block, or just divide this new week opening gap into quadrants. That's it, and target one by one. As you see here, we got a good displacement. If we got a good displacement, so maybe time for the buy side liquidity to be attacked. From -2 -2.5, we retrace back to this breaker. Okay, what is the -2 to -2.5 level here? This is the -2. We retrace back to the breaker. Do we need a SMT here? No. If the move wants to come, if you are bullish, then you don't need an SMT. What I want to see now is this inversion holding the price. Okay, this should hold the price. You have to protect this low and go to attack this buy side liquidity. Okay, this is what you should see here on price. If this doesn't support you, then you will fucked up. Okay, this is not a trade you should be trading. This is not a plus setup trade. This is not a plus setup, but this is what I want to see in price. This is what I want to see in price to go and attack for this buy side liquidity. Okay, if I want to even trade, I will just buy one lot. Okay, if I trade with 10 lots, I will just press my button with one lot, because this is a small risk, very small risk with one lot for me. 1 is to 2.39 risk reward here. So yeah, what is this? There's a 2 minute last fairly gap. What is the last fairly gap? Last fairly gap can even give move when market when a candle has closed above it. Okay, so it can still fall, but uh, we have, like, I'm following my plan, so I want to say this holding the price. Okay, plans are plans, that's it. You have to stick with your plan. Yeah, relatively equal lows on put premium also. Put should be, yeah, put will fall, so call will go up. So yes, 51 100 put has potential to fall. Okay, so I'm just getting a call, wait a second. Okay, so today is last day for me to pay my university fees. The college staff called me that please pay the fees. I'm liking how we are staying above this new week opening gap. Okay, I want to see that happening only. What I can mark here is this volume balance. You see this volume balance? यार इसमें कलर ऑप्शंस ही खत्म हो चुके हैं, क्या यूज करूँ मैं इस पे? और जो है वो भी अच्छे नहीं है. Let's just mark it with black. So this volume balance will throw prices to the downside or it will support. That's it. And I am, since I am bullish, so I will look for the support from this volume balance. Can it come below to this volume balance, this order block, this inversion fairly gap? Then yes, it can. It definitely can. But I am still. I have given the market the chance to protect. Okay, I should protect this low also, but that will be a bad, very bad risk reward. Okay, that will be the baddest risk reward ever. Because if you see this, this is the breaker block here. Although this is the real breaker, but this is one more breaker. If you go and mark this one, that's the breaker block. This whole thing is a breaker block. So I want to see support from this area. below we have SMT. Should we protect that one? Yes, you can. If we have SMT, then you can. Yeah, we have this SMT. You can protect that also. But that will be a bad risk reward, isn't? This will be 89 points. So no, I don't want to. See, this is the one failure gap. This is the second failure gap. That's the order block. Third failure gap. Sorry, third PD array. Sorry, I'm so sorry. First failure gap will be this BC. Second PD array will be this volume balance. Third PD array will be this order block. Fourth PD array will be this inversion failure gap. Why the fuck you have to protect that this one then? When you have 3-4 PD arrays in support with you, then you just have to protect at least 3 PD arrays and that's it. If you are wrong, you are wrong. If you are right, you are right. That's it. That's only thing you have to protect. Okay. Please like the stream, yeah. Please like the stream. We have 19 watching and only 9 likes on the stream. This thing demotivates me. Okay. Then it feels like I should just spend my whole time watching reels and not come live. So press that like button. Okay. Let's reach at least 15 likes. 15 likes is easy. Easy, man. Can you guys tell me ATM call option? This 5100 put. I think 49. No, for 5900. Isn't 5900 ATM call option? Or it is a ITM option? Please let me know. It is, I think, deep ITM option. Like 5900 is a deep ITM option. 51 is a good one. Like for ATM, 51 is a good one. What is this blue line? That is the drawn liquidity for now. What is Nifty doing? Okay, Nifty is going bullish. Nifty is better moving than Bank Nifty. I will mark this one also here. That's last fail gap here. This is where price is spending time right now. I want to see a support from here. Okay, how will the support form when market will close above it, retrace back and boom. I want to see this happening, else we will just fail here. Okay, it has the potential to fail this move. Okay, it has that potential. It has that potential because we will have SMTs also. Okay. But I don't think so. It will fail it right now. It should not fail. It should move up. Okay. Even some big candles. It is a time for some big candles. We have a macro starting right here. We have a macro. Okay, 11.5 to 11.25. It's the beginning of this macro. 11.5 to 11.25. Macro starts here. So we are getting some closures above this inversion, but no candle is trying to open above this, because when a candle will open above it, it will again trade to this, then it will be inversion. Okay, I want to see that. Okay, there is this candle which has opened above this inversion. Let's see now. Let's see how it behaves. It will tell us if we are right or wrong. So it is rejecting. Okay, this is not a good thing. This is not a good sign. I want to see here that market is whenever trying to make a high, it is rejecting. Okay, this is not what I want. This is what I want to see. Big candles. Okay, that will be the minor buy side liquidity. And this will be the drawn liquidity. Now you should not be risking this much points. You just have to risk 17 points here. Okay, because this inversion should now hold the price. A small thing which I will mark here is this one. This is a small, very small inefficiency. Hello, 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 thank you, hello. We have 21 watching. See guys, how like works. Okay, if you like the stream, then new people will come. So please press that like button. Whenever anyone joins, press that like button. Okay, let's see if we can do a immediate rebalance here. If there will be immediate rebalance, okay, that's an immediate rebalance here. Okay, this should not close. Okay, this is not the way it should close. It should have taken some support from this wick area, but it has not done that. Okay, so be safe and trail stop loss now. Okay, you should not be taking big loss now. I don't know which option is this one, but if you see, the entry is right at this candle, right at this candle as we told. And even if your entry is above it, okay, now you should not be risking more than 20, not more than 16 points. Okay, on option. This is a ITM option, I think that's the reason. And on ATM it will be just do the half, 8 to 10 points. You should not be risking more than that one. Let's see what Nifty has attacked this buy side liquidity. which is not a good thing. I think that is a good thing. That is a good thing, but not a good thing for us in Bank Nifty, because now what will happen is there's a SMT here. Okay, but although this is not a relevant SMT for me, I know that this is the drawn liquidity and the market will go for this drawn liquidity. I know that. Okay, but uh, even if it doesn't gets to this drawn liquidity, minor buy side is 100% market will trade for this minor buy side liquidity. It will attack this buy side liquidity. Okay, it will attack, it should attack. Okay, at least it should attack according to what I can see, because if it reverses from here, I will expect a full sideways day, because it will again come inside this new week opening gap, and this is not, that is not what I want to see. Okay, it will come inside new week opening gap and then it will be chopped up. I know that thing is 100% for sure. Okay, 100%. I'm very confident about that, because it should attack this buy side liquidity, else we will have when market will have both side liquidity, then we will have to wait. We have to wait for at least whole day, and tomorrow is Wednesday, so tomorrow we will see something. If that doesn't happen, if this buy side still left, then we will have very bad uh, price action right here on Bank Nifty, because there we will have huge SMT at both the sides and then market will consolidate. Nifty is moving good. Okay, like from this area it has moved like around, if this was the entry here, it has moved approximately 40 points on futures. That's enough, yeah, that's enough. Easy 1 is to 2.4. And Nifty still has some space left. Okay, but a retracement can come from this last failure gap, which is this one. As you see here, no candles have been closed above it. So let's see now. One thing is for sure, if the move will come, it will be huge candles. It will be huge up close candles. Okay. There's a 5 minute BC here, but I think that will be a breakaway gap. Okay. There's a 5 minute BC, but I want to see that as a breakaway gap. Let me show you. If you go into the 15-minute charts, nothing is very hyper volatility on 15 minute, but on 5 minute, let me zoom in. You see this one? This is a I'm anticipating it as a breakaway gap. What, at least what I can do is, if I am still on a trade, then I'll just, okay, but this giving this space on volume balance is still not a good idea. I have to I have to give this much thing, but this is not what I want to do. Okay, so let's just stick with this auto block. Okay. It has to move from here only. The main problem here is the time. Okay, we are trading in wrong time. Okay, we are not trading, but this is a wrong time. This is not where move should become. Move, we should have pressed button on morning volatility, and that's it. This volume balance is still valid. It is still valid. I always use system as well. System stop loss is the only thing I use on my trades. Like for targets, I exit manually, but on for stop losses, I uh, use system stop loss. What I am liking here is that we didn't close below this inversion failure gap. You see this inversion failure gap? Bodies have not yet closed below that, and even breaker has showed some support. Okay, now let's rip through this small inefficiency here. Okay, this was the reaction from that. Now I want to see good candles. 40 points on option is running. Like I should write these things like streamers who shares call and put signals. Na, they like all these things. Even people watch streams where this type of things are there. Okay, it is now more than 40 points, so 50 plus. Okay, it's 60 plus. Okay, it is more than that now. 72. Okay, our draw liquidity soon. It is, let me write it, it is 90 plus, I think. 90 points, no? Yes, 90 points. The buy side attacking, getting attacked soon. Okay, this was not even the right entry. This, the right entry was right at this candles. Don't worry, it will still move in upside. Lol. 100 points here. That's it. 100 points is done for the day here. Your drawn liquidity is met. Your drawn liquidity is met here. Who is this streamer on YouTube telling you 100 points move? Please let me know. Please let me know about it. You see how beautiful it is? When is the time when this all this stuff happened? This is the macro. This is the macro. I don't know if you still believe on macro or not, but I believe on macros. Okay. I always have this thing on my chart. Whenever a macro starts, I look at the price action. Boom. How much points you risked here? Okay. Firstly, we were looking to risk a little big. Okay. The better entry was right here, and from this area, 30 points is still good. 30 points to risk. Okay. But then we trailed stop loss to 10-15 points. Here we have 100 points move in the go. Drawn liquidity is met, and I think this is the time when you should close your charts if you are in a trade. If you're not traded, it's okay. It's totally fine. It's totally fine if you not traded this. Okay. This happens every day. You can do it tomorrow. Today is not a good day to take trades. Okay. You can find this thing tomorrow also. So you have to keep that patience in yourself, and then you will be a good trader. I hope you guys like this one. Are you planning to go Dubai? Let me get funded from at least 1 million funding, bro. No, not even 1 million, but at least 600 k funding on futures. Let me get, let me reach that level. So I told my dad about my plans that I have to shift to Dubai and all. Like he was crazy. He was literally shouting on me that why are you doing something like that, which is not which you cannot do legally in India and all. I said that everything is legal in India, but I just don't like giving my hard earned money to this fucking government. Okay, I don't want to give a single penny to the government. That's why I want to leave this country. Like I literally hate our government. I hate Indian government. I don't. I'm not talking about the parties. Okay, I'm just talking about the government, the system of India. I don't like that. I literally hate the system of our India. Okay, I hate that. So yeah, I will definitely, if I make that, I reach that level, I will shift to Dubai or any good country. Okay, which has better tax system, better infrastructure and all. Who's streaming visual? Where? Like on YouTube, it is me. Okay. Oh, someone commented on Telegram. So whenever I take this type of trades, after that I don't mess around the chart. Okay, I don't look for something else. I don't look for some other drawn liquidities and all, because as I always say, and as most of the good traders always says, that it is all mind game. Okay, if your mind is uh, not ready for next drawn liquidity, next plan, you cannot, you should not even look in the chart. Okay, you have to prepare your mind. Right now my mind was ready for that, and so that's why I just confidently put this long short positions here. Okay, whenever I put this thing here, just understand that I am very confident about it. Even if I lose if we got a stop loss here, it's no issue, bro. It's no issue. You have to understand that accepting loss is the biggest thing you can do, or biggest thing you can ever learn in this markets. Okay, you have to learn about accepting the losses. I was like, even after I got my profitable system, like I knew that this setup will profit, this setup is a profitable, this type of the knowledge I have is a profitable, can make me profitable. When even I knew all this thing, I was lacking this one thing, which is accepting my losses. Okay, I was not ready to accept my losses. A small drawdown, a small, even if I am a 3 days winning streak, if I lose fourth day, it was hurting me a lot. It was literally hurting me a lot. Okay, like I am winning since 3 days. Why the fuck I lose today? What's the mistake I have done today? But how did I overcome that? And I think I overcome that by just making losses. I knew that losses are literally one thing which you cannot remove, which you cannot handle. Okay, you can handle the risk, but you cannot handle the losses. You literally cannot handle the losses in this market. You can only handle the risk, how much risk you have to keep from your pocket in these markets. When I understood about risk, and that's where I literally, my psychology about losses, like it was going on a consistently, it was going consistently on a good path. Okay, when I understood that one. Okay, what is this minor buy side liquidity? It is the resistance turns support here. That's the BC. Where is it going? Is it going to any random level? No, we have this buy side liquidity. Even we have a better buy side liquidity, which is this one buy side liquidity. That's the relatively equal highs. Market is going for this buy side liquidity. Okay, isn't it boom, sitting on the right side of the market? My trade is done here, 100 points, and I'm done. Okay, I will not show you, see bro, this one I cashed 150 points. Fuck bro, no, I didn't capture 150 points. This was my Tron liquidity, 100 points on options, that's it. Per lot 1500 rupees profits. I have seen people taking 10 15 points and they are very happy. Why should I not be happy trading 100 points, which is my Tron liquidity, which is the plan I discovered, which is the plan I was following? Why the fuck? How we started from this new week opening up high? I hope you remember. I hope you remember why I was neutral at this point. You should remember why, when this candle closed above it, my eyes shifted to this inversion failure gap and this new week opening gap high. You should remember why I marked this volume balance. Did I mark this volume imbalance after all this happened? When market was making this third candle, na? Go back to the stream. I have that thing on. You can go back to my stream. When this candle was forming, I marked this volume balance, okay, and told you guys that I want to see a support from this volume balance. Market went above it, came to it, supported. Then my eyes shifted to this inversion failure. This is the inefficiency here. Market, if bullish, should hold from this inversion failure gap. I also shared one more thing, which is this 5-minute gap. I told you I wanted to see it unfilled. Okay, I want to see it unfilled. When I want to see that unfilled, should it hold the price or not? It should hold the price. It should definitely hold the price. Then only my plan will work. Then I mark this breaker. Okay, I mark this breaker later on. Okay, I mark this breaker later on. When I saw this week I marked this breaker, and then it also gave me the confidence that yeah bro, just wait, you will get the move. Wait, it is not the right time. Okay, this is the right time. I mark this inefficiency when price was here. Why? Because I know this is the last, very last failure gap, which is on that super premium zone. From super premium zone, it retraced back to this inversion failure gap, this breaker block, and then boom. That's it, guys. That's it. I hope you got the everything, every logic of this trade, every logic. मैक्रो के बारे में थोड़े बताओ. यस, बताता हूँ, रुको. No A plus entries for me, bro. Those big candle disturb my entry. Yes, I can understand that. I can. Yes, I traded this one. Okay, I took this trade on my personal funds. Okay, yes, I traded this one. Okay, my entry was at this candle, 1056, and my exit was at around this one. But I didn't trade this option. Okay, because when I opened this option chain, like this option, I just randomly put the number here. This was a deep ITM. I traded ATM options. मैक्रो, सो देखो यार, मैक्रो क्या होता है बेसिकली. दिस आर द टाइम when volatility comes in the price and there is a reason for that volatility. कोई वहां पे जाके ऐसे डालता नहीं है कि चलो ऑर्डर्स डालो यहाँ पे, ऐसे नहीं होते. बेसिकली क्या होता है कि 1 आवर की कैंडल जो होती है ना, वो क्लोज होती है. ठीक है, तो 1 आवर की कैंडल क्लब क्लोज होगी, 11:15 पे वो कैंडल क्लोज होती है. तो 11:15 पे एक एक्सपेंशन, जो प्रीवियस H1 कैंडल का जो एक्सपेंशन चलता आ रहा होता है, वहां से एक रिट्रेसमेंट आती है. ठीक है, 11:15 के पहले में एक रिट्रेसमेंट आती है, एंड देन वो फिर एक रियल मूव नेक्स्ट H1 कैंडल में स्टार्ट होती है. और जो एक्सपेंशन और रिट्रेसमेंट है वो लास्ट है 10 मिनट्स, एंड आफ्टर ओपनिंग ऑफ H1 10 मिनट्स, उस बीच में हमको मिल जाती है. दिस इज बेसिकली पावर ऑफ थ्री कॉन्सेप्ट. दो पावर ऑफ थ्री को मिलाओगे तो तुम्हें मैक्रो समझ में आ जाएगा. अगर तुम्हें पावर ऑफ थ्री नहीं पता तो पहले पावर ऑफ थ्री को समझो, तब तुम डीपली मैक्रो को समझ सकते हो. बिना पावर ऑफ थ्री के मैं मैक्रो समझाऊंगा, तुम्हें कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आएगा. आई होप यू गॉट इट. आई होप यू गॉट इट. ओके, बस इतना समझ लो कि मैक्रो एक अच्छा टाइम होता है ट्रेड करने के लिए, अगर तुम्हें ज़्यादा डीप में नहीं जाना है तो. दैट्स इट. इफ अ मैक्रो इज गुड देन प्राइस एक्शन विल बी गुड टिल नेक्स्ट मैक्रो. हाँ वही यार, वो बेसिक है. देखो पावर ऑफ थ्री में जब तुम देख रहे हो कि मैक्रो, मान लो मैक्रो में तुम्हें मूव मिलता है. ओके, तो आफ्टर मैक्रो क्या होगा कि वो एक्सपेंशन अगर मैक्रो में कंप्लीट हो जाती है तो फिर मार्केट क्या करेगा, रिट्रेस करेगा या फिर रिवर्सल लेगा. इफ मैक्रो में एक्सपेंशन खत्म नहीं होती है तो वो मैक्रो के बाद भी एक्सपेंड करेगा एंड देन फिर रिट्रेसमेंट करेगा. तो वो तो सिंपल सा लॉजिक है. अगर मैक्रो में ही मूव नहीं आ रहा है तो समझ जाओ कि तुम्हारा पावर ऑफ थ्री वाला लास्ट में मूव दे सकता है, बिफोर मतलब कि लास्ट जो नेक्स्ट मैक्रो आएगा ना, उस पावर ऑफ थ्री के लास्ट में तुम्हें मूव देखने को मिलेगा, और वो शुरू में कंसोलिडेशन है. बहुत सिंपल सा कॉन्सेप्ट है. लाइक तुम्हें अगर पावर ऑफ थ्री क्लियर है तो जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ वो तुम्हारे माइंड में फटाफट आ रहा हो. अगर तुम्हारा पावर ऑफ थ्री क्लियर नहीं है तो तुम्हें शायद प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. सो गाइज आई थिंक आई एम डन. ओके, यहाँ पे डन करते हैं स्ट्रीम को. इससे ज़्यादा मुझे और कुछ चाहिए भी नहीं प्राइस में, और मैं ज़्यादा देर बैठूंगा इट विल बी अ फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग थिंग फॉर मी, क्योंकि मैं अभी तो बैठ जाता हूँ पर फिर शाम को वो चीज़, इट इज़ डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर मी टू सिट ऑन नेस्डेक. ओके, वो बिकॉज फिर मेरे आईज में थोड़ा सा हर्ट होता है, मतलब थोड़ा सा दुखता है, हेडेक होता है कि बहुत देर तुम चार्ट्स देखोगे. एक्चुअली यार मुझे अभी अभी चश्मा लग गया है पावर वाला. सो लाइक अभी वो आया नहीं है चश्मा, इट इज़ ऑन द वे. ओके, कल परसों में आई थिंक इट विल कम. सो till that I'm avoiding sitting on the charts for very long time. Okay, so let's just end the stream here. I hope this stream is helpful for you. Okay, I don't want to waste your time. Okay, I think you forgot I don't know Hindi, bro. I'm trying to mostly speak in English only, and थोड़ा बहुत like for some time I have to speak on Hindi also, because there are some people. See, if anyone is asking me questions in Hindi, I'll answer that on Hindi. If anyone is asking questions to me on English, I'll answer that English. And whatever else I'm speaking, I will do that on English. I think that's the best thing I can do. Where did you learn all concept? I learned all these things from ICT. Okay. Many people ask me this thing, bro. Let me show you directly. Go on YouTube. You see this channel. Search this channel, the Inner Circle Trader. Go to the playlist section. It has a lot of concepts, a lot of thing here to study. But I will tell you where to start. Okay. Where is the 2022 mentorship? Where is the 2022 mentorship? Okay. Here is the 2022 mentorship. No, this is 2016. Where is, okay, here is 2022. Okay. Watch this playlist, 2022 ICT mentorship. It is 41 videos here. Okay, it is 41 videos here. It will take you approximately 3 months to complete it deeply. Then you have to practice 3 months on the charts. Then then you have to start demo trading. Then you have to start one lot trading, and in 1 year you will be learning all these concepts. Okay, this is the channel. Okay, where he talks about everything. Okay, so introduction, different episodes, a lot of rant speaking, but don't worry. This is how you will become a good trader. I hope you got it. Any more questions? I am open. Please throw that. But ICTs for forex, can it helpful for? I just showed you guys. I just showed you. Isn't this Indian market? This is Bank Nifty. Isn't this ICT concepts I'm talking about here? This is ICT concepts only, my brother. Only. It works like a charm. Okay, it works like a charm in India markets. Just start learning ICT, do some basics, and I am here to help. I am here to help. I don't charge anything. Okay, I don't charge anything, but I should charge. I definitely should charge you guys. Okay, I should charge you guys some money. I know many people don't give a shit to my to my teachings or to my live streams and all. Okay, they take this as a random, as a guy who just sharing and all. They don't value me. I know that thing. I should definitely charge at least small amount. I should charge that to to at least have some value of myself on people, because in like Indian people, when anything is offered to them for free, they don't value them. They literally don't value them, and I don't like being uh, not given value and all. So soon, if I'll be active here, or if you will see me here, then yeah, I'll be charging some amount, or if I will make the YouTube members only type of thing. But I don't want my my money to be shared to YouTube. So I don't know, but right now I don't want any money from you. But later on, I will definitely switch to any paid kind of thing. I will not charge 50,000, 1 lakh, 10,000. I don't want your money of that type. I just want your a value given to myself. Okay. So I'll be charging very small amounts, like maybe 500,000, 200, like this kind of. Like everyone can afford that. Okay, everyone can afford that. You guys are paying brokerage more than that every day. Okay, but I know you will then call me scammer. You will call me that you want our money. Just call it. Okay, I don't care. Call me scammer. I give a shit. Okay, I give a shit. I don't care about that one. Just call me whatever you want. But you cannot deny that I'm the only one on YouTube here who's calling as like I'm the only one calling prices very precisely on YouTube on Indian markets, and you cannot deny that. Okay, you cannot deny that. I know there are many good traders. People are making money from retail concepts, but they are not as precise as someone who is trading ICT concepts like me, like me, like me. Yes, like me. So, uh, it is the end of the stream here. I hope you liked my stream. Market is going for this buy side liquidity. This buy side is attacked. All this is a low resistance liquidity run. From the morning itself, I told you guys that I am bullish and I want to go long from discount. Everything is shared on my Telegram. I will try to come live from 9 a.m. from tomorrow onwards. Okay, from 9 a.m. so that I can share before plans on live stream. Okay. Uh, Today I woke up at around 9 a.m. Okay, 9 a.m. I woke up. So it gets, so I have to wake up a little early to come live. Okay. So yeah. So goodbye guys and have a good day. Happy trading and be safe. See you guys in Telegram soon.